my friends, Tyler Does Math here with another video. Today's video will be kind of a smaller episode for the Groovy Geometry series, so I will now move on to episode 3 like I usually do. Let's call this episode 2.5. Anyways, I will be sharing 3 fun facts about polygons with you guys. But first, for anyone who is wondering, I was in another hiatus from YouTube since I've been super busy with school assignments and stuff as offline school has returned. Now, let's get on with the video, shall we? Fact number 1. Any polygon can be split into a number of triangles. Let's draw a square to illustrate this. First and foremost, pick any point inside the square. After that, draw lines connecting the point in all corners. You'll see 4 triangles being formed. Cool, isn't it? It works for any polygon, any number of sides, any side lengths, and even any angle sizes if neither are greater than or equal to 180 degrees. I mean, as long as it is a polygon, and if you've watched episode 1 of the series, you probably already know what it is. And by the way, the number of triangles formed is equal to the number of the sides of the polygon. Fact number 2. There is a general formula to calculate the sum of the angles of any polygon. Imagine that your best friend drew a random polygon and instructed you to find the sides of each of its angles. Obviously, you can't tell the sizes of each individual angle, but what you can tell to your friend is the sum of all the angles. So what's the formula? Let's say S is the number of sides of the polygon. The sum of all its angles is 180 multiplied by S minus 2 in degrees. For example, a pentagon's angles will sum to 180 times 5 minus 2, which equals 540 degrees. Fact number 3. The sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degrees. I didn't mention this in the previous video, but the exterior angle of an interior angle is the angle needed to make the interior angle a straight line. For example, the exterior angle of a 120 degree angle would be a 60 degree angle. For the fact, we'll use the same on the polygon from before. As you can see, each side is associated with an angle. If we extend each side, we'll see 5 lines, each 180 degrees. They are made the sum of the interior and exterior angles. From fact 2, we know that the sum of the interior angles alone is 180 multiplied by 5 minus 2, which is 540 degrees for this polygon. Therefore, the sum of the exterior angles is 900 minus 540 equals 360 degrees. This works all the time, as the sum of the exterior angles will always be 180s minus 180s plus 360 equals 360 degrees, where s is the number of sides of the polygon. This wraps up my smaller episode of Groovy Geometry. Next episode, which I'll try to post as soon as possible, I'll be explaining more about 2 specific types of polygons, triangles and quadrilaterals. Therefore, the next episode might take slightly longer than normal. Again, I didn't post for a long time, but I hope your interest in me and my channel remains. As always, if you haven't, kindly leave a like and subscribe to my channel. It's the biggest motivation for me to keep the channel going. Stay safe. Bye!